name is Sine. I'm working in the Industrial Digitalization Department under the lead of production. I grew up near Hamburg, so I was always seeing the airplanes here. So I decided to do a dual study system within Airbus. So I joined right after my school has finished, and the fascination never ended.
My name is Sandra. I'm working in the technology office. I'm leading the demonstrator for Airbus, and I'm CEO of Airbus ExoAlpha, which is a subsidiary and an innovation lab for Airbus. I studied aerospace engineering. I did a PhD just to see one time in my life what does it mean actually to be at the top of the research. But really what drives me is my mother is German, my father is French, my uncle is English, my cousin Spanish. So Europe was really a reality for me. And I wanted to have something which I could combine my strong belief in joining forces all across Europe and now worldwide.
So hello, my name is Daniela. I am the R&T director for Airbus Commercial, and I work as well in the technology department for our CTO. My team itself is not that big. So we are in total 65 people. We are spread over the 4 home nations mainly. We have the China Innovation Office, and we have a cubed in the US. But I would say roughly we're interacting with my 65 people with 6,000 engineers spread everywhere.
So there is no classical week, to be very honest. It can be anything from technology over finance or over human resources, whatever comes up, or just learning something new about what the world has to bring.
So the protospace is a mini ExoAlpha. So it's really a small facility where we can very quickly do some feasibility studies, but in a much smaller scale, very quickly doing some 3D printings of pieces, checking are these things worth to take into the portfolio.
When I joined Airbus, I have not seen so many women joining Airbus as well, or just working besides me or in the same department. But I can see that grow. When I came to university, I think we were 3 women in my class. And even that is changing. If I see now classes full of women in technical studies, I can see that this is changing.
Never have I been questioned because I'm a woman. I might have been questioned because my view wasn't a good one, yeah? And this is natural and this is good. It's more a very personal attitude that women are too shy in doing certain things, and they shouldn't be, because there is great potential and great opportunity. So I think for women, go for it. Yeah?